Hi fans, welcome to France Digital Hub. This is our another edition of our design.
Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting episode in our CorelDRAW design series. If you're new here, I make CorelDRAW fun and easy to learn. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this flyer inside of CorelDRAW, right? If you've not gotten your Smart Designer Premium asset, it's still very much available. Click on the link in the description of this video to get yours alongside the CorelDRAW template also that you can use for your designs. If you've not subscribed, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notification and like this video. Alright, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing, click on file and click on new. So I'm just going to be setting this to 5x5 inches. Resolution stays at 300, and I'm just going to put a simple name here. So you can choose to give it the name of your choice, but I'm just going to have social media flyer. Alright, it's for a restaurant, but then I'm just going to have social media flyer. Double click on this rectangle here to create a rectangle. Give it a white color, click on white, and come here to remove the outline, set it to none. Right, so this is done. The first thing you want to do is go over to your rectangle tool. This is your rectangle tool here. So draw a rectangle like this. Make sure it's not outside, make sure it's in the confinement of the drawing page. So draw from this part to this part here. Make sure it's not outside. You can zoom in and zoom out like this with your scroll wheel. Right, so give it this orange color and come here, remove the outline, set to none. So this is the first step. Right, so the next step, we're going to be converting this to curve. Right, so if you're using earlier versions of CorelDRAW, you can right click, but I'm going to do this the easiest way. Go to object and click on convert to curve. Make sure the object is selected, which is the rectangle. As you can see now, it's a curve. So I'm just going to drag this node here and drag it down like this. And I'm also going to drag this point here just a little bit. So to select a node, just click on it and move it upward like this. So that's how you actually work with nodes. So moving on, go over to your text tool or your type tool, and I'm just going to type out this. It's supposed to be delicious, so I'm just going to cancel this. Okay, okay, so the word is delicious, right? So I'm just going to move it to the center of the page. Change the font first. Yes, I'm using this. Again, this font I'm using is inside of the CorelDRAW 2000 templates. You can find this font here and also install on your PCs and use them for your designs also. Right, so it's power packed, so you don't want to miss it. So click on the link in the description of the video to get yours. Right, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V to make a duplicate copy of this. Select the two of them, hold down Shift, select this, and go over to Object and cover here like this. Before you make it white, Ctrl Z. Let's bring this downwards. We're going to skew it. Click on it, bring it downwards like this, and click on it again to bring in this skew option. And you want to bring it up like this. Alright, so this is what we want to achieve. So make it a white color, and just bring it outside here like this. Right click and clip on power clip inside, then click on this orange rectangle. Click on edit, and while it's inside, you want to make it bigger. So let's just increase the size, let's blow it up, and when you're done, click finish like this. Okay, so there you have it. So this is the first stage. Now let's move over to the other things. Select your ellipse tool and draw a perfect circle like this, and give it this color. Remove the outline too. What you want to do is go ahead to where you have your resource file. This is the only resource file there. The others are in the Smart Designer and your CorelDRAW template file, right? So it's important for you to also get that to do these exercises, right? So move this inside here like this. So with this image, what we want to do is instead of making it orange, I'm getting rid of the edges of these plates that I have here with my shape tool, right? I'm just moving it upward a bit, and it's perfect here. So select these two of them and press C and E on your keyboard, letter C and letter E, to centralize it. Now with this one, I'm just going to give it a white color. I'm just going to leave it at white like this. Right, you can use orange, you can use white, based on the aesthetics of this design. It works both ways, but I'm just going to leave mine like this and make it slightly bigger, and also increase the size of the plate itself. So going forward, I'm just going to go on and bring in some text too. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'll do that again, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So this is going to be mouth watery like this. Highlight the two of them. And bolden it. Again, the font that I use is inside of the CorelDRAW template file, right? So I'm just going to duplicate this. I'm just going to use it to I'm going to have fried rice here. So just reduce the size like this, and you're good to go. Yeah, so we're good to go like this. So what I'm going to do here is still very unique. I'm going to select all of them. Select the watery, select the fried rice, selecting all of them like this. Click on it again to bring out this key option, then move it upward like this, just like we did for the delicious. So I'm just going to blow it up like this, make it bigger like this, and yes, this is how big I want it to be. Reduce a bit and we're good. Mouth watery fried rice. Okay, so I'm just going to use my pen to draw a shape. Click, 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 and click here again, right, to draw the shape. Right, change it to none. With this seal selected, bring it outside, right click on it and go to where you have power clip. Select the mouth, that's the text, and move it upward a bit. When you are done, click finish. This is what you should have. Okay, click on file, and I'm just going to go inside. You can see I'm inside my CorelDRAW template, right? So inside here, this is where we have the vectors. Like, so double click on this file to open the file up inside. So this is the CorelDRAW Premium template. So the link is in the description of this video for you to download and use these files for yourself. So I'm just going to open it up. You can see so many things we have here. These are pages. I'm just going to go over to the ones that I want to use. You can see I have so many shapes for your compositions, so many banners for your websites and all of that. So I'm going to start with this. You have these shapes also. These are for flash sales, Black Friday sales, and name it. You can be creative with it. So copy, and I'm going to paste this here. You can see the file here. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make it bigger like this, and I'm going to send it to the back. Control page down, send this to the back. It should be in front of the whites. Or the white should be slightly smaller. I've reduced the size. So this is how yours should be too. So I'm going to select all of them like this. Okay, I'm not selecting the other image. So select all of them like this. Make sure you're selecting all of them. You can see I'm selecting mine. And increase the size. Bring it downwards. Increase the size again. Increase, keep going. Bring it down. Okay, so now that you have that done, let's move over to the next image that I want to use. So this time I'm going to go over to my graphic designer premium assets. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to select, I'm going to go towards the PNG section. And of course you can see that this package is also loaded too. So from here, I'm just going to select this image, this one here. This triangular pattern image. So I'm going to move it aside, make it smaller first, move it aside like this, and I'm just going to click on Power Clip Inside and select the rectangle. You can see how nicely blended it is with the background, right? So that's one good thing about this particular PNG image. So you have so many of these inside of the graphic design premium assets. I'm going to go into the CorelDRAW templates and I'm going to select this image here. I want to make use of this. I need it for the price. You can see how easy this is. If you are creating this by yourself, you're going to spend years trying to create things like this, but I made it simpler for you, right? Just to make things easy for you. So I have this here, unique shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this name that I have. First of all, ungroup it, delete this, and I'm just going to work with this butler here, and I'm just going to type $40 here, right? Make this bigger like this, and I'm just going to bolden it. Now when you download the CorelDRAW premium asset, make sure you install the font first. Before you install the software, first install the font before you access everything you want to access inside of the file, please. It's very, very important. So let's go on and light things up. If you are conversant with designing here, you know we make things pop. So with this yellow, click on this, and click on this, right? Change the blend mode to, let's see, change the blend mode to screen. Okay, we're good. So the first place I want to have this is here. Now you can see that it's yellowish. Hold down Control and click on the orange 3 times to change the color from being too yellowish, right? Click on orange twice while holding down the Control. Bring this down here and make this smaller so that it doesn't go out of the page. And you have this here. your nice light effects. You can Ctrl C, Ctrl V to intensify the lights. And I'm just going to drag this somewhere here to give it some more lights. And this is just the way I want this design to be, right? If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you don't forget to share. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the videos I'll be dropping anytime from now. Love you guys. Don't do anything much. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.